In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a recording in Google Vids in just 5 minutes. This powerful and versatile tool has become an essential part of our daily digital activities, particularly in capturing important moments or creating content for either personal or professional purposes. Let's dive right in by navigating to Google Vids. The process starts simple. Launch your preferred web browser and enter the web address for Google Vids, or simply search for it through your search engine. Once the page loads, you'll be presented with an interface that's both user-friendly and straightforward, ensuring a seamless experience from the get-go. The next step is vital, signing in. To do this, locate and click the Sign In button usually found at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will lead you to a web page where you can choose your Google account. This step is crucial for personalizing your experience and ensuring that your recordings are saved to your chosen account. Selecting your Google account should be a breeze. Just pick the one you wish to use for Google Vids from the list provided, assuming you're already logged into your Google accounts on your browser. Now to the exciting part, adding recordings to your project. Once you've successfully logged in, head over to the right panel. This area is designed for user interaction and is where you'll find several options to customize your video editing experience in Google Vids. Look for the recording icon. It's designed to be easily identifiable. Clicking on this icon is your gateway to creating engaging and immersive video content. At this point, it's essential to choose the type of recording you need for your video. This decision is pivotal as it directly affects how your final video will look and feel. Whether it's capturing a live presentation, recording a personal message, or creating instructional content, your choice should align with your video's objective. Google Vids offers various recording options to suit different needs, ensuring that you have the flexibility to create content that best represents your vision. Let me share a few additional tips to enhance your recording experience with Google Vids. Lighting and sound quality are crucial. Before you start recording, ensure your environment is well lit and free from unnecessary background noise to produce a clear and professional quality video. Practice makes perfect. If you're recording a presentation or a message, doing a few practice runs can help you deliver a more polished and confident performance. Keep it concise. While Google Vids allows you to record ample content, it's often more engaging to keep your videos concise and to the point. Explore editing features. After recording, don't shy away from exploring Google Vids editing features. These tools can help you enhance your video, adding effects, trimming content, or including additional media to ensure your final product is exactly how you envisioned it. Recording in Google Vids is more than just pressing a button. It's about creating content that resonates with your audience or serves your personal needs effectively. By following these steps and making the most of what Google Vids has to offer, you're well on your way to adding professional quality recordings to your digital repertoire. And there you have it, a simple, straightforward guide to adding a recording in Google Vids in just 5 minutes. We've walked through the initial setup, logging into your account, navigating to the right panel, and finally selecting and using the recording feature to create your video. With these tools and tips, you're equipped to produce quality recordings that meet your needs. So go ahead, give it a try, and see how easy and fun it is to create with Google Vids. Whether for work, school, or personal projects, mastering the art of video recording and editing can open up new avenues for creativity and communication. Thank you for watching and happy recording.